In this lesson, we will examine the chamfer tool. Let's select the chamfer tool. Here there's an angle distance selected. Let's select this edge. We will see a preview of this chamfer. It's 10 millimeters and at a 15-degree angle. If we want to flip the chamfer, simply check this box. Click OK to accept these changes. Okay, let's suppress this chamfer. Right-click on it and select Suppress. Now let's create a new one. Click on the chamfer tool again. This time we will create a distance chamfer. Let's select the same edge. Here's our preview. Let's click OK. Now, what happened here is that SolidWorks cut out our other features. Let's fix this problem. Right-click, select Edit Feature. Now let's check Keep Features. And click OK to accept this. Okay, see, all of our features are intact now. Let's suppress this chamfer and create another one. This time we'll choose Vertex. We keep it equidistant at 5 millimeters. Click OK to accept it.